Welcome, in front of me is a CROSSCALL Action X3, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key till you see the boot options, like so. And instead of tapping on power off, you want to hold it, and you'll see a new window appear, which is reboot to safe mode. Confirm it by tapping on OK, and wait for the device to actually boot back up. And once it is back on, we'll then see a safe mode message on the bottom corner of the screen. Okay, as you can see, now the device is back on, and you can see right here safe mode. So the device is indeed in the safe mode. And if you wish to leave this mode, all you need to do is just hold the power key once more, and this time simply tap on reboot, and once the device is back on, it will be back in the normal mode. Okay, so as you can see, now the message is gone and the device is back in the normal mode. So that would be how you would enter and also leave the safe mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.